Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today, I'm just very stressed right now because, I've been scammed, so, okay, and they left. That's great, but, I think this was one of my buddies when I was with an adventure with them, so, I don't know, guys. Sorry, today is really stress. Oh my god. I'm just gonna say that I got scammed, but I'm not gonna say by who because that'll just be causing drama. So, oh my gosh. I don't know, guys. I'm just trying to think on what I should do right now. Do you have a good member thing that I could trade you member stuff? No, sorry. Okay. I don't know, guys. I just felt like I wanted to record a video. Like I said, I'm not gonna tell who scammed me, but one of my buddies might watch this and might know what happened. So, oh yeah. Like what I was gonna say, thank you so much, hugs, love hugs, for, supporting me, and Enchanted famously for gifting me, like, a red short wrist. Thank you so much, and Fluffy, I'm at 05, thank you for gifting me a orange long spiked wristband. It helps so much. I don't know, guys. All the rare spikes I have are those three. But I'm saving them for a giveaway. I'm still nice enough to do a giveaway, and yeah. I don't know, guys, but I'll see y'all later, I guess. See you next video. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.